I was in final year of engineering and my teacher told me to give a presentation. It was a presentation for my project. I remember that very vividly. And while giving the presentation, I realized that I was very nervous. 5 minutes before, I was completely sweating. It was like I was frozen completely. But still I went there on the stage. I remember my partner was there. His name was Will Murugan. He was a South Indian, my very good friend. And he said that you do part 1 and I will do part 2 of the presentation of our project. I said, okay, no problem, I'll do it. And then I remember I went on the stage, and during those days there were transparencies, the projector was there. And I don't remember then what happened when I went on the stage. It was completely blank. I was frozen. I did not remember what I spoke, and all my talk finished in 2 minutes. But the teacher had told me that you have to speak for 15 minutes. But I could not speak more than 2 minutes. Everything was finished. It was a disaster, complete disaster. That day I could not sleep. I was so embarrassed. I was like literally depressed for 15 days. Then I decided that I should do something about this. Since that day, friends, since that day, everything changed for me. I decided that I will work on my communication skills. I worked on my communication skills. I worked on my confidence. I studied the psychology, how communicators speak. Everything I did. And friends, in the same college, after 11 years, they called me as a guest speaker for training the students for communication skills. Why I am telling you this? Because I want to give a message that everyone can improve themselves. Communicators are not born. They develop. I have worked on that, and I consistently work on that. And not only one day I work regularly, I work rigorously. I spend daily sufficient amount of time on my communication skills. So my dear friend, you can also do that. Only the thing is, you have to be consistent, you have to be disciplined, you have to take efforts for that. Speakers are not born, they are created. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye, see you.